Hey guys, it's August 1st and I'm on my way right now to like the borderline of Chicago and Indiana to show a client a couple houses. And I'm in my office right now. This is what the office looks like. I rehabbed it, I did the work. I'm happy, I'm proud. I'm actually most proud of this chair right here. Let me show you this chair. Look at this chair. But this is the behind the scenes. This is how the studio looks. What is this? This is Predator and Alien playing chess. And this chess is from Mexico City. This chessboard is from Mexico City. That's Mr. Whiskey Doo right there. What's up, buddy? How are you? I guess come with me to take a really long drive. So it's been raining. It's been raining, and that means free car wash for me, right? Starbucks. We gotta get coffee. Let's get some coffee. There we go. Off to the races, no? The beautiful town of Cicero. A lot of nice 2 units here. A lot of nice multi-units, and then right across the street, the single-family homes. So the client I'm taking out wants to buy near University Park, borderline of Indiana, Illinois, because property taxes are lower, her mortgage payment's going to be lower, and I have a lot of people actually calling me about Indiana because of the savings you can get. Mortgages are really high. The property taxes in Chicago is going a little wild here and there, but you know, what are we going to do? This is Cicero Avenue, heading south in Cicero. My Starbucks that I go to is right over here, but a lot of traffic on this street, like all the time. It's always a really busy place. At least we got a Portillo's, right? Could I get a coffee with a bunch of coconut milk?
Like a regular brewed coffee?
Yeah, regular brewed coffee with a bunch of obscene amount of coconut milk. That'd be cool.
You want to do a misto instead? That's gonna be half coffee and half milk.
They just do that. You know better than me. We'll do that. And then I do want a cookie. So I'm just getting here, okay? And I got a message from the seller's agent. I've arrived from the seller's agent that the owner is motivated to sell, which is great news. You know, it's kind of good and bad for them to say that, because now I have a bargaining chip that I can use in case my client falls in love with this property. It's still raining, but I wanted you to see all these trees that are down out here. It looks like the wind blew all these trees around. Even over here, I got trees down, and over there, I have to go the other way. The house is behind me, but even over here, they got a lot of trees down, which is wild. So I wonder if the winds really got strong. I don't wonder, I know they did. And there it is. My client's already in there. I am not gonna go up this curb because it's too high, but here's the house that we're gonna see right now. Okay, so this one's really nice, but the clients thought the bedrooms were small, right? So we're gonna go see the next one in Brighton Park. This is University Park. So now we're going to Brighton Park. So this is the first bedroom that they saw. Okay, this is a nice sized bedroom. Then you come over here, and this bedroom is smaller, considerably smaller. Maybe a twin bed, maybe less, but it is what it is. Shout out to the bathroom though. I mean, this bad boy right here, that's about to go. I mean, take a look. It's leaning over that house right there. That is wild. That is wild. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I give you house number 2 for the day. Let's see what this one has in store. It's 211, by the way. So the best part about doing these showings in the rain is you get to see where all the water collects. And for this place, we are finding out everything. This shouldn't be here. This shouldn't be here. This should be longer out this way or further out that way. And then over here, we see the water pooling there. We can see over here, we have some puddles going down. And we see over here, this water's collecting here, so maybe it's going towards the house. An inspection would be able to tell us that. And then if I raise the camera here and show you that, you see that the water is, it needs a little bit of help. Look at that. Look at that. This is what it is, but time to go inside. Fortunately, on the bright side, This place is absolutely stunning, and my clients are about to come inside and take a look. So let's see what their reactions are. I think this place is really cool. I like lighting, I like fixtures. And as you can see, we got some pretty cool fixtures. Really nice accent wall back there. That's cool the way they do it. You know, these right here, you can buy these at Home Depot. Like this wall probably costs like 150 bucks, and you just put them in yourself with, you know, with nails, with trim nails. And then, you know, but cool place, cool place. And just watch out, there's a lot of water, you guys. There's a lot of water, but you know, you were smart enough to bring the umbrellas, not me. I got all wet. So I have some good news, okay? The clients are looking at the house one more time inside, because what we uncovered is that even though it's the second showing, they really like this house. Now they're not looking for their forever home. They're looking for a home that's gonna be good for like grade school for the kids and good for them for what they need right now. And then later on, they can possibly sell it or rent it out. The good news is about this home is that it's fixed up so nicely. The resale value on the property is nice, meaning that they would have probably an okay time selling this, and you know, the neighborhood's nice and all that. So, you know, besides the tornadoes coming through here and knocking down trees and stuff like that, you know, it's a great house. So we will see if there's a future offer in the works. Here we go. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, I'm excited too. Okay, bye. Bye. An hour and a half later of driving, a bunch of rain on the way home, but guess what? We're writing an offer.